Hello and welcome to Train. This is a game I just found and I'm going to play it with you guys so we can see exactly what this is. So I have no idea what I'm getting into right now. We're going to find out. Let's get the lighting all right. Alright, let's see what we got going on. Alright, looks like there's a regular train. Looks like someone sprayed on a little bit here. Hop on board, see what's going on. Hello. Alright, back to my stop. Oh my god! Whoa! Who is that? Oh lady, what do you want? Lady, what do you want from me? Come in to say hi. Woo! Oh my god. Whoa. What the fuck? Stop. I think we're stopping. We're moving again. What's going on? What is happening right now? I can't see them. Woo! Leave me alone. I don't know what you want. Ah, let me out of here. Oh my god. What's going on? Put the stuff down. What is that? guys. That was Train. I think the Hell Train or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that was it was pretty simple, really, just walking through and seeing the new environments. But I think the main story was that we were on this train that just kills us. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. I don't know how I feel about it. Cheap jump scares at the end, you know. You can kind of get me with that. But I hope you guys did enjoy. Be tuned for another scary video game. I don't know what I'll play, but for sure it will be epic. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.